In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to reset the maintenance box of the Epson WorkForce Pro C5710 by using a chip resetter. This method helps you to reuse the waste ink box instead of replacing it with a new one.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When the maintenance box memory becomes full, the printer stops working and shows a service required message. You must reset or replace the box to continue printing. In the second step, if the printer is powered on, you must turn it off first. Then, disconnect the power cable, and after that, remove the maintenance box from the printer. Now you need to reset or convert this chip, and in this video, we will reset it. For resetting the maintenance box chip, you need a special chip resetter for this printer. You can easily find it in printer shops that sell Epson parts. If you have access to Amazon or Alibaba, you can also order it online. This chip resetter is a small handheld device. It is shaped like a flat plastic tool with metal pins that align to the maintenance box chip. When you press the chip against the pins and wait a moment, the resetter clears the ink counter chip, so the printer treats the box as empty and new. This chip resetter must be connected to power through a Type-C charger in order to work. Some versions of this resetter have an internal battery and can be charged as well. Now align the pins of the chip resetter correctly with the chip, and then wait until the red light changes to green. One reset is enough for this chip. Just make sure the red light starts blinking and then turns green. The green light confirms that the reset is fully completed. After the reset, place the maintenance box back into the printer and make sure the cover is closed properly. Now, connect the printer to power and turn it on. The service required message will disappear, and the printer will work normally. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to support Device Doctor, and stay updated with more expert printer guides.